Hey everyone, how's it going? So recently I put out a poll to see what would be the next big, kind of Titan, creature battle you guys would want to see. And the results were overwhelmingly in favor of a Godzilla versus Skullcrawler. So I want to show you guys how to make Godzilla versus a Skullcrawler. And I'm just going to kind of play around with this and just see where we go with this. So in this one, we're going to have to imagine that the Skullcrawlers are a lot bigger than they were in the original Kong movie. So to start off with this, we want to begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to put him up here, and I want to start off just by drawing his eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of go up and down like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up for his eyeball. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve back for his head. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. And it's going to kind of curve like this. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve back. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down for the bottom of his mouth. Now right here, I'm going to curve this down and up for his jaw, or his chin, I should say. And then we're going to curve this back into his jaw right here. Then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line. Actually, I'll add another one right here just for kind of part of the mouth where it stretches open. We're going to add a little line right here, the extra little line kind of show where his nose is. Then inside here, we want to add his teeth. So I'm going to fill up his mouth with lots of teeth on both the top and the bottom. And I'm going to draw a little line that's going to kind of curve down and up for his tongue. Then I'm going to just take this line back here. I'm going to curve it, and I'm going to kind of bring it back just a little bit. And I'm going to do this just a few times just to kind of show a little bit of texture along the back of his neck. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go down and curve a few times just to show the bottom of his neck. Now, starting right here, I want to draw his arm. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to go out at an angle. Then we're going to make another line right here that goes down, and a little line that curves up and then comes down just a bit. I'm going to add a little line that goes down and comes back for one of his claws. And I'm going to put one right here and one there. And I'm going to put one more right here and kind of curve this back. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and kind of come in for his chest. And I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down here. Now, starting back here, I'm just going to draw a little more of his body to right about there. Now, starting up here, I want to make the Skullcrawler. I know we have a lot more Godzilla's body to draw, but I just kind of want to add a little bit of the Skullcrawler so we can kind of piece these guys together a little bit. So I want to make the face of the Skullcrawler right here. So to start off, I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to be a little bumpy, and it's going to curve like right to there. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down and up. It's going to curve back here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down. I'm going to curve it to here. I'm going to go down and then just kind of bring it back up for the jaw of the Skullcrawler. going to add a little curved line right here by the mouth. Then I'm going to bring this line back a little bit, and I'm going to curve up and then just kind of come down here. And we're going to run it right into here. Then we want to add the sharp teeth of the Skullcrawler in here. And we'll put them on the top and the bottom. And then the Skullcrawler has those crazy long tongues. So we're going to add one right there, real long and skinny. And then I'll add another one right here. Then starting here, I'm going to add a big curved line for part of that skull shape. And then their eyes are technically back here, so I'm going to add just a little curved line for the eye, a little line above it, and a couple of lines underneath it. Add a little pupil right in there. Add a little extra line over here. Then, starting right here, I want it to be like the Skullcrawler is on his back, like Godzilla's got him pinned for a minute. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve here. A little bit like what I was doing with Godzilla. I'm going to add some little bumps on here for some texture. And I'm going to just kind of continue this all the way around, because their back does have a lot of like different bumps and everything all over it. So I'm just going to kind of add some of these around here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it all the way up to here and kind of wrap it around. So it looks like the tail is trying to wrap around Godzilla. Then starting here, I'm going to add just a couple little wrinkle lines on the neck. Add a couple extra lines right there. Then I'm going to just kind of add a little bit of the curved line down here just to kind of show where the tail is going to be. Now, the Skullcrawlers only have those two big kind of arm, legs, claws that they walk on. So I want to put one right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start one. They're kind of in the middle of the body a little bit. So I'm going to start by drawing a line right here. And I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve up. I'm going to add a little curved line here. A little line that goes down. It's going to curve up for one of those claws. Then I'm going to add another one right here. And then I'm just going to add a little bump for the other one. It's going to be kind of hidden behind there. Then I'm going to add a line that's going to come down. I'm kind of curve this down into here. Then I'm going to add just a few more lines right here. Now, starting right here, I want to kind of add Godzilla's leg, and I want it to kind of look like he's kind of pinning him down. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up here. It's going to go up and then kind of come down. And I want it to look like his foot has got him pinned. So I'm going to draw a little line down here, one that goes down to here. And then you won't really see much of that other foot because this arm is going to be in the way. But I am going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to kind of curve it down. So I'm going to just kind of darken this up a little bit because I actually don't really want that much space in there. I'm going to kind of curve around here to show where his leg would be. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out here for the arm. Then I'm going to add a little line. It's going to curve up and it's going to come down here. It's going to come right to there. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. It's going to come around here. One more, and then one right here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw that other Skullcrawler claw. So I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to curve up. It's going to come down here. We'll add another one right here. It's going to curve up and down. And then one right there, kind of like Godzilla's got him pinned for a second. Then I'm going to add a little line. It's just going to come down. A little curved line go down here. And we'll add a little line that goes down and then right to there. Then starting right here, I'm going to add Godzilla's tail. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to curve this up. I'm going to bring it up to here, round it off at the end, and as I come back down, I'm going to make it wider and wider. And right here, I'm going to add a curved line and then bring this arm back up to here. Now I want to add some of Godzilla's spikes back here. Or his dorsal fins, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to start off by making them a little bit smaller, and then as they get farther up, then I'm going to start making them bigger and bigger. They do kind of spread out a little bit. So I'm going to add some of these big dorsal fins, just kind of spike them out. And then I'm going to slowly start to make them a little bit smaller as we get down here towards the tail. And then I'm going to just shorten these up quite a bit until we get down towards the end of the tail. I'm going to add a line that's going to kind of curve to here, and a little line down here. So here's our basic drawing of our Godzilla versus the Skullcrawler. Now we just want to come in here and add all of the different details and everything. So I'm going to go a little bit faster through this part. So if I go too fast, just make sure you hit the pause button and slow down. So we're going to add some little lines kind of right around his mouth, and then a couple little lines right here by his jaw. Going to add some little lines underneath here. Kind of add where the pupil would be. Make it a little darker by his nose. Add a couple lines right up here. And then some little details back here by his face. I'm going to add just a few kind of little broken lines right around his neck up here. Add some curved lines right around his arms. We'll add his claws onto here. We'll add some claws onto the Skullcrawler as well. Add a little line or two here, a couple little broken lines around. Make a little long broken line down here, and I'm going to have some of these lines going across as well. And I'm going to add just a few little extra lines kind of coming down here. A few little extra lines right around the face. And some little details on the hands and arms. I'm going to add some different little lines coming down here. A couple little curved lines around the tail. And some long broken lines going down here for some more details. Add a couple little curved lines right on the hand. I like to find where spots kind of bend and move. That way I put a few extra lines there. And I'm always coming in and just adding extra details all over. We'll add a couple little details here. Some lines on his claws of the Skullcrawler. Kind of add where the knee is. I'm not really happy with this whole leg area. I probably should have had this leg over here being the one that was pinning him down, and then this leg down over here, but that's the problem when you do it in Sharpie. It's hard to fix some of that stuff. I'm going to add a little line that's going to come out here. It's going to curve back for like the tail of the Skullcrawler. Skullcrawler's going to have some little broken lines here on his arm, and then a couple more right here. And then I'm going to have some quick little lines coming down here just to show where some of that like bony texture is on his little spikes. Same thing over here, just some little curved lines going down. On the face of the Skullcrawler, I'm going to add just a couple little extra lines in some different spots. A couple little spots right around there by his eye. And a few little lines around here. Put some claws on Godzilla's toes. Then just some lines kind of all over. It's just kind of up to you. Just play around wherever you want, all these different lines and details. I'm going to make some of these kind of curved little line patterns back here just to show where that kind of bony plated skull pattern is right behind his body. He's got all those kind of crazy little bone patterns, and I'm going to add some quick little spikes down here as well just to add some detail to here. Going to add some more details right there. And it's just kind of going around putting different things all over these two titans just to kind of mash them up, mix them up a little bit, make these look a little bit more realistic. A little line right around here. And then kind of back here, I want to add a few more spikes onto Godzilla. So I'm going to add just some smaller spikes in the back here, just to kind of fill it up a bit. And there's lots of different things you guys could add to this just to make it, you know, make your own, make it a lot more detailed and everything. And these are just some simple things I was doing just to kind of come in here and add it, make some cool little details and whatnot. But there you go. There's your drawing of Godzilla versus the Skullcrawler. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.